Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a soft, silky and sweet treat caramel pudding dessert. Let's begin the delicious recipe. First, let's make our caramel. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Cook until the sugar melts and turns golden brown. Carefully pour it over 3 cups of milk. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Then set it aside and allow it to cool completely. Now in a separate bowl, crack in 3 eggs. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix well until sugar dissolves. Once the caramel milk is cooled, pour it into the egg mixture. Always let the milk cool before mixing with eggs to avoid curdling. Stir until well combined. Milk provides calcium and protein. Eggs add essential nutrients like vitamin D. Pour the mixture into glass. For extra flavor, you can add cardamom or cinnamon with milk. Using a small amount of sugar keeps it a lighter dessert. Cover each one with foil. Use foil while steaming to prevent water from dripping into the pudding. Boil some water and place the mold inside for steaming. What toppings would you add? Nuts, fruits or syrup? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Foods. Steam on low-medium heat for 18 to 20 minutes. Steam on low heat for perfect smooth texture. Let the pudding cool completely. Top with some chopped nuts for extra texture. Chill and enjoy your creamy caramel pudding dessert. Caramel pudding is also known as flan in many countries. This dessert dates back to ancient Rome. Our caramel pudding dessert is ready. Creamy, sweet and perfectly set. Thanks for joining us on Enoven Foods. We hope this classic recipe brings smiles to your table. See you soon with another comforting delight.